Hello, today we're going with one of those recipes. Simple, but nutritious, very tasty and impressive. The first thing I do is chop 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, and my trick is a lot of garlic, but chopped very finely. Then I go to a large pot, add a splash of oil, and brown the garlic there over medium or medium-high heat. While the garlic is browning, I also finely chop half an onion, and once I have the onion, I do the same with half a bell pepper, cutting it into very small pieces. Finally, I'm going to take a carrot and do the same thing. I cut it so I get 4 long pieces and then I dice it into small cubes. Very easy, you see. The garlic is already golden, so in go the onion and the pepper. I add them all at once and give them a few stirs. And when everything is mixed together, I also add the carrot, which as you can see is chopped quite finely. And now I keep stirring until the onion is cooked. Meanwhile, I'll take the opportunity to dice a tomato into small cubes as well. The onion should end up soft and translucent, more or less like you see here. The trick now is very simple. We add the tomato and wait a few seconds for it to start releasing its juice once it's soft. We add 400 milliliters or 2 cups of crushed tomato. I don't know why that part of the video got deleted, but it doesn't matter. And 1 cup of fried tomato. We add a little bit of salt, a little bit of parsley, and we're also going to add paprika. Just a bit, but add more if you want. We add the amount and mix all of this quickly until the sauce becomes thick over medium heat for about 5 minutes. It should look super good like this. When it looks like this, add a cup of your preferred broth. I use fish, but vegetable or chicken works too. 5 more minutes and add the cooked chickpeas in there. They can be homemade, store-bought, cooked however you like. Stir for a couple of minutes so the temperature evens out and add 4 eggs. I'm going to place them here separately, always on medium heat, but I'm not boiling everything. We cover it and let the eggs cook until they're done. Recipe finished and ready to enjoy at the table. Garnish with a little more parsley and look at this amazing little casserole we've prepared. It's quick to serve and enjoy. Look at how amazing this looks. A little casserole made in no time with an incredible flavor for a delicious meal. Perfect to enjoy and to share. Look at this little dish we prepared in no time with just a bit of egg, a spoon, and Thank you, you just can't stop. These spoon dishes are nourishing and make you feel better, so I hope you like them. By the way, since we're at it, I'm giving you the recipe, but tell me in the comments, what's your favorite spoon dish? And also, where are you watching the video from? This way we explore the world through delicious food.